Vale, chicos, esto ya está todo preparado,
Bueno, he tenido que poner esa así porque es muy grande y le he puesto una funda porque no es impermeable.
Quedan pocas.
Maybe I'm less cool now, I don't know. But I talk to pretty girls now instead of sitting there all stoned. I stopped smoking weed a year ago, and I stopped drinking Hennessy on ice. I thought it made my fans think I was tired.
Been too challenging so far.
I'm still up in that nightclub on way too many nights, but I stopped drinking Hennessy on ice. See, I've been running from my past, but my future's just too fast. He don't stop for no one, that's no lie.
Vamos, Kitsuke, vamos, Radu.
So dear Lord, won't you please
Con la
give
bestia, la
me
bestia la
wisdom,
tenemos aquí.
grant me peace.
Muy fuerte,
'Cause I
fuerte.
just wanna live before I girls back home. Even though I spend my nights alone, I button up that shirt and spray on that cologne. Yeah, I stopped thinking about the girls back home. See, I've been running from my past, but my future's just too fast. He don't stop for no one, that's no lie. So dear Lord, won't you please give me wisdom, grant me peace. 'Cause I just wanna live before I die. Live before I die. I just wanna live before I smoking weed a year ago. Maybe I'm less cool now, I don't know. But I got 2 more albums done instead of sitting there all stoned. Yeah, I stopped smoking weed a year ago.